this equation is called Laplace transform. It is used for determining if a system is stable or not in terms of real life systems. Let's say you differentiated any moment of a system, let's say from census or whatever the hell, and you got a value, a differentiated value, might be 2x, 3x, whatever. You can give the value inside this Laplace transform formula, and when you will get the calculation answer of this Laplace transform, the value, it will be a small algebraic expression or something like that. When you will interpret it and reduce it into a small value of whatever, s is equal to -2, -3, whatever, that value itself will determine if the system will be stable, oscillating, or completely blew up. Like if it's minus, if it's in minus, the calculated value, the system will be stable. If it's near zero, between minus plus, like it will be oscillating then. And if it's at 1, the system will blow up, means gone system. So that way you can kind of classify and predict the system's behavior in upcoming time using that one instance and using this Laplace transform. So that's how we use it in real life.